Since the Avenger Campervan type is not formally being produced by Jeep as a factory product for 2025, the external design will mostly rely on third-party modifications made on the Jeep Avenger SUV base model. While keeping the distinctive Jeep Avenger design characteristics, we can make some educated guesses about what the outside of a Jeep Avenger converted into a small campervan may look like. Jeep's recognizable 7-slat grille will continue to be the front end's distinguishing feature. It will have a distinctive appearance thanks to contemporary LED headlamp designs, potentially split. Since the Avenger is a tiny SUV, a campervan built on its chassis will be nimble and compact. The FWD model's front and rear skid plates will give it a robust appearance, but they may be more for show. It has a robust, rough appearance thanks to its distinctive wheel arches. The distinctive C-pillar shape gives it a contemporary feel. A pop-up roof is a fairly feasible addition to the car that would provide for more sleeping room. In order to maintain aerodynamics while closed, the pop-up roof will attempt to blend in with the Avenger's original design. Installing a roof rack to transport extra goods like storage boxes, sporting equipment, or a roof tent. Larger side or back windows should be installed to improve the living area's ventilation and illumination. A retractable awning is installed to provide shade next to the car. Ladder in back to make it easier to reach the roof in the event that a roof rack or pop-up roof is present. A more durable body kit with better bodily protection may be added via certain mods. Despite being largely FWD, the Avenger may have various changes, such as tires and rims that are better suited for mild terrain. Application of decals or images identifying it as a campervan. Considering its small size, the interior will be planned to mix many uses and make the most of available space. Rear seats that are probably foldable and can be made into a little bed for one person or two. For working or dining, use front chairs or little tables that can be folded out from the wall. Equipment can be stored on the vehicle's flanks in tiny cupboards or thin shelves. Mechanisms for sofas that fold up into beds. Beds that fold up, extra beds that detach from the roof or wall if the roof is pop-up. Transportable mini kitchen. Due of space limitations, a permanent kitchen could not exist. Possible solutions include transportable stove when not in use, a compact electric or gas stove that may be stored sink that folds a little container with a mini fridge and a water tap attached to a jerry can a compact enclosure for an electric chiller. To store clothing and small equipment, use wall shelves or little drawers behind the seat. A little extra battery for powering mobile devices and interior LED lights. For low AC power, a little inverter could be used. LED lights that use less energy for indoor illumination. Window coverings or curtains for both privacy and light blocking. The customized Jeep Avenger base will determine the engine that is used. For the European market, the Jeep Avenger itself has a number of engine choices. Approximately 100 horsepower, 74 kilowatts, and a maximum torque of 205 Nm are produced by a 1.2-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder gasoline engine, often mated to a manual 6-speed gearbox. Engine, mild hybrid, e-hybrid, combines 48V mild hybrid technology with a 1.2-liter turbocharged gasoline engine. With reduced pollutants and improved fuel efficiency, the total power stays at 100 HP, often mated to an automated 6-speed EDCT gearbox. Vehicles that run on electricity, EV, utilizing a single front-mounted electric motor that generates 260 Nm of torque and 156 HP, 115 kilowatts. Its 54 kilowatt-hour battery provides a range of about 400 kilometers, WLTP. With all-wheel drive, AWD, the recently unveiled hybrid 4xe engine combines a 1.2-liter turbocharged gasoline engine with 2 electric motors, one in the front and one at the back. 136 HP is the total system power. It's an automatic transmission.